does this impact only a very few number of FPIs? More on this in a bit. But Nimesh, let's get back to individual stocks. The market is under pressure, but what about the individual names that you've picked up the chatter on today?
Yes, so in terms of individual names, the first stock is Indigo Paints. Clearly the stock of the day, large block, 25% equity has got changed hands today in a block deal. We were aware of the fact that the Sequoia Capital, which has been renamed as Peak Investments, they were the sellers in the block. They were to sell 11%, but it looks like they've ended up selling their entire 25% stake in a block deal. I understand some domestic mutual funds were anchor investors, so the disclosures will be quite interesting. And remember, this will have an impact on the net FIDI buying as well in today's market. So that's the first name. Second, couple of stocks where there were large blocks in the pre-open as well. Metro Brands, nearly 2% equity, and Shriram Pistons. In both the names, my sense is that the promoter entities were sellers in today's block deal. Interestingly, in Shriram Pistons, there was another block in the afternoon block window as well. 10 lakh shares got changed hands in the second half of that block window. Even there, the promoter entity was a seller. Some domestic mutual funds, couple of large FI funds were buyers in today's block deal. So again, disclosures in even Shriram Piston could be quite interesting. The third name is Blue Jet Healthcare, one of the recent listings, been buzzing in trade today, large buying as well. I understand some larger HNIs are quite active buyers, and hence a big move on large volumes in Blue Jet. And the last name is Vector Foods. There was a QIP which got launched last evening. Big move on that name as well, largely because I understand there's a very strong demand in the QIP book from large institutions, hence a big move in Vector Foods as well today.
Oh yeah, Vectors is really flying high, 13% higher. Thanks very much. And Nimesh, I liked how you put it. It's a Friday, but this is a bit of a lethal cocktail for the bulls. I don't think this is the kind of cocktail they would have wanted on a Friday, still dealing with a 300-point cut on the Nifty. Thank you so much for joining in. Well, just to